So I've just been glassing this hillside, and I look down. I wish I had a better camera. You can see the bull move. Oh, he's getting up. He doesn't like it. He just saw me. Alright guys, welcome back to Jordan Keck Outdoors. We're here Saturday morning. Mule deer opener was last Sunday, so some people have been hunting for a week. I'm just starting now. 7:30 in the morning. This is my kind of spot that I've had a trail cam on. No big bucks, one smaller forky. If he shows up, he might get wasted, but I'm hoping with this colder weather, it's probably about 20, 25 degrees. Probably with this colder weather, they've been pushed out of the mountains. If not, we'll just see what happens. Got a big bull on my trail cam like 2 weeks ago, so it'd be cool to see him. Wife couldn't make it out today, so she has a tag. But if we see him, I don't know, maybe she'll run out here. Anyways, catch you guys in a little bit. Thought I'd give a little update. We're up here pretty high. You can see down all of this. So I've been scanning, but my goal is to kind of get up here. Then when the sun comes over, I can get this hillside. That's actually pretty far away from the treks and the trails. And then probably during the day, I might just hike up this ridge up onto the mountain and then come down through there. I know there's a father and a son that I've caught on my game camera. They hike up through that canyon. At least I think so. So stay away from them in the morning, and then when they're taking lunch or something, we'll come down. And then maybe in the afternoon we'll see. See if I see any animals this morning. If not, going to Utah next week, so that's gonna be a episode for sure. Our Utah general deer season. So, spot we've always gone to. Gotten a few big bucks out of there, and a few small bucks. But this is like a really good spot. Just the fact that I haven't seen much deer on my game camera makes me think that there's not a whole lot of deer in this canyon, but I'm hoping if I can get, you can already see the sun coming in, so I need to jump up there and catch it before they go back away. Okay. There's my first cow elk of the season. I need to get up here. Well, now I wish I would have brought my phone scope adapter, release, put on my binoculars. There's about 5 elk, so you maybe see the one up on the ridge right in that opening, and then right below there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so a total of 5. No bulls, but these are actually the first cows I've seen in this unit. I have pictures of 2 bulls in this area, and then I saw 1 bull, possibly with a cow. Wow, this is cool. See if any deer pop out in this area too. How great are the deer here? Man, I just love elk so much. They're so big and majestic. I have to keep moving along this All right, so I'm up here pretty high. Been glassing kind of this side for a little bit. Looking for stuff. Haven't seen any deer or anything. The elk actually moved right over this ridge right here. So I just kind of want to see what's over on the other side to see. A lot of my hunting this year, I feel like, has been preparing for next year. I didn't get a elk during archery season, but seeing more elk after archery season now. And then, yeah, my goal is to kind of walk up along this ridge, and then I'll kind of make a U shape back to the truck. See if I see anything, stir anything up. I know there's a father and son that hike up that way. When I was going to check my trail cam, I could see their game cart there. So I know they're up there, and hopefully by the time I make it around, either they're out or taking lunch or something. I don't want to disturb them, but I also want to make sure I get a good idea of the area, see what's around. So, all right, guys, I'll check in a little bit. Good to see those elk, though, right? Oh yeah, excited about that. Okay, so I'm up here at the top. I'm gonna turn on the GoPro. It actually levels out up here, so I'm like, this is it. If they're up here, they're either tucked away or in these little trees down below. But good news is there's still some snow up here, so I can see if they've been walking around the last few days. All right, GoPro's going home. So I've just been glassing this hillside, and I look down. I wish I had a better camera. You can see the bull moose. Oh, he's getting up. He doesn't like it. He just saw me. Nice bull. Sorry, buddy. So I tried to get it on video. You could see the moose, but he ran away. It actually turned out there was another hunter that just came up right below me. He's kind of following the moose's trail up into the woods. Tried to get video, but through my binoculars, but he was kind of he was actually trotting through. I could hear him from up here. He was right down by this pine tree in the middle, and then he started just booking it up that hill. I might sit up here and just glass if this guy just walked through the drainage. Here's where the moose was laying down. This little bed. Let's see. The leaves are wet and cold, but that was right up there by those rocks right there. I think he saw me, and then the guy came up right from this valley up and spooked him up the hill. So I don't want to spook the moose, but I need to I want to figure out what's up on this side, because it looks like there's some more meadows and whatnot. I'm thinking next year get maybe 2 more game cams and be able to put one meadow way up there, and then maybe over here. We'll see. It's all good. In the hood. No deer, but 1 bull moose, 5 cow elk. It's been an eventful morning. It's the most animals I've seen. The most I've ever seen is 3 other does. And I went that bear poop video, and I haven't seen any deer since then. So hopefully we can turn some up, even if they're does, you know. Probably buck with them. Getting the rut going. Middle of October. We'll see. Not even maybe 50 feet away from this elk or moose bed. Wonder if this is his scrape. Like I said, I got pictures of 2 bull elk less than a mile away from here, but it's a big scrape. I mean, to go all the way around that tree. Wow. I haven't seen too many scrapes this year, so it's nice to see one every now and then. All right. Okay. I haven't given an update in a little bit. Been heading back to the truck. Kind of took that trail and didn't see anything except for some small track. And then it's just been steep downhill. I was walking around along this ridge line. Heard something down in here. Decided I was gonna either cut in front of it or kind of come down and see if I could push it out somewhere. And then when I started coming down, I pushed it across. There's a big fat doe. Came right over there. Had my scope on it, ready to go. But it was no antlers. So I'm like, where's your boyfriend at? Where's he at? So still looking, but probably gonna see it at the truck. Alright guys, so I'm back home, wrapping up the video. It was a long hike. Good to see a lot of new sign that there's animals there. Ended up seeing, in total I saw 5 cow elk, a bull moose, and then 1 doe. So no bucks. I think that's probably it for my Idaho hunting season. We'll see if I run out there during the week, maybe after work. It's like barely any time. I mean, sun's setting at 6:30 now, so it's super hard, but maybe. But the next video will most likely be us out in Utah, so check it out, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.